So the two main modes of operation that the PreciPan has are pan and kettle. Now the PreciPan is assuming that I am going to manually cook with a large amount of liquid. It's going to function like a giant pot. In kettle mode, I have as many as 6 timers. Those 6 timers would be used for something like a pasta station, where I had differing sizes of pasta or ravioli or something that would take longer to cook versus something that was a very short cook. It'd be very easy to put 6 pasta baskets in the pan and then use these timers to make sure I don't overcook any of my pasta. In the pan mode specifically, it's like a giant griddle. Adjusting the temperature, just press the temperature and either use the knob, or I can use these handy arrows to adjust. I can set a timer like this. That is continuous mode. When it's no time showing, it will just come up to 370 degrees and stay that way. And obviously with filling, I can add water if I need it. Same with kettle mode. I can add water, I can drain it, I can set what temperature I want. I can also set a timer. So the PreciPan comes preloaded with recipes that have been developed by Vulcan chefs. Those are found in the auto mode. If I go to the Vulcan button, now you see all of the categories and all of the recipes that are preloaded in the PreciPan, divided by what type of food it is. So meat, vegetables, fish, desserts, other. And then vacuum speaks directly to the ability to sous vide cook in the PreciPan. I also have a place for my favorites over here, which are not loaded right now, but I can put as many as 12 favorites in here. And then recipes here, my recipes are ones that I have written. I can add as many as 100 6-step recipes to the PreciPan.